Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi. In previous sessions we have discussed about the polynomials and the concept which we have to study in the polynomials, and we discuss the polynomials and terms. Students, we will discuss about the first thing is variable. First thing, you know that what is the variables. You have learned that is the x, y, z, which use in algebraic expression, that is the variables. Let's give an example. That one. If somebody purchase 2 kg onion, and that onions, the onion, that is the variables, the kg onion cost, or like this is cost. The it depends on the per kg onion cost. Like this, if it is 30 rupees per kg, then the 2 kg cost is 60 rupees. If it is 10 rupees per kg, then the 2 kilogram cost is that is 20 rupees. And if it is 50 rupees kg, then the cost is 100 rupees. So then that means the cost of onion is depends on that is 2 kg cost is 1 kg cost onion depends on 1 kg cost onions. So that means that is the cost of onion is varying. It may be 0 and maybe depends up to 100, 200, 300, 400 dot dot dot. But in mathematics we write this is let 1 kg cost, that means onion cost is x rupees, right? Or your 1 kg, that is that the onions are, and then 2 kg onion cost is 2x rupees. Twice, for the more values we multiply this is, and the what is the cost of onion? This cost is 2x. Basically this one, that is the cost we have taken, that is called, this cost of onion is variable. That is variable. If somebody has purchased n number, some number of kgs onion, and then the onion is basically, that is variable. We are talking about the cost here. We generally we write it, this is x, y and z, that is all are variable. It depends what you let it. And second thing, the cost is expressed by this one, this is 2x. So this is called algebraic expression. This is called algebraic expression. That is algebraic expression, that is 2x, that is cost of onion. That is called algebraic expressions. Like if I write this is if I write this is 5 chocolate, or let the chocolate is x, chocolate cost is x. So we write this is 5x, the cost is 5x. So basically this 5x is the algebraic expression, and where the cost x is the variable. It is not like that it is x, y, z, or something else. We can write this one, or we can write this as that is a shortcut of this one. If I write all these this word, and we need the more copies for that, more pages for that. So then mathematics we write it in short, that is 5x. That is 5x is the algebraic expression. If the cost is, if the cost of onion is equal to like 50 rupees, so we write this one, this is 2x is equal to 50 rupees. That is called algebraic equations. How to write, how to understand this one? That means if if the two quantities are compared and they are equal in amount, that is called, that type of expression is called algebraic equations. And equation means that is equate to, that means we are going to compare is like if the two students height is 150 centimeter, then if you compare the height of these two students, they are equal, so that is called algebraic equations. Both are in equal, right? This is called algebraic equations. Now in polynomial, any algebraic equations or your expressions, algebraic equation or your expression which has more than equal to one terms is called polynomial. Is called polynomial. Right? In previous classes you have learned that is more than 3 terms. Basically it is one term and more than one term is called polynomial. So that means this is the polynomial, and the condition for that, this is the first condition, and second condition, the power of variable in expression. I am talking about algebraic expression or your equation must be positive integers, right? That means first it has more than equal to one term, or like we have discussed, if we write this is only x, this is the polynomial, and if I write this is only 1, this is also polynomial. If I write 2x, this is polynomial. If I write 2x is equal to 50, that is a polynomial. And the second condition, that is the power of the variable in this expression or equation must be positive integers. Or like examples, if I write x to the power 1 by 2 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, so this is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Why? Because for the second definitions, the x to the power 1 by 2, the 1 by 2 is not positive integer. It is not a positive integer. So that means here the second one, x to the power 1, but it is an integer, and but in this expression, in this equation, in one, the variable is power is 1 by 2. In whole equation, the power of variable must be positive integers. If I write this is 1 upon x plus x is equal to 0, it is not also a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because this is 1 upon x, this is 1 upon x to the power 1 plus x is equal to 0, and this is 1 upon a to the power m is equal to a to the power minus m. So we write this one, this is x to the power minus 1 plus x is equal to 0. Here you look this one, this algebraic equation, that is x to the power minus 1. The minus 1 is not positive integer, positive integer. So that's why it is not a polynomial. So first understand this one, which has more than equal to one term, that is polynomial. And second, the power of the variables must be positive integer. Or like if I write the y minus 2 plus y to the power 100 plus 2y is equal to 0, is it polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. It has been written, this is y to the power minus 2, which is negative integers, right? So students, in next sessions we will discuss the zero polynomial and constant polynomial, monomials, binomial, and trinomials. Thank you.